Understanding memory markers in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating concept in language learning, memory markers. This term is not just a linguistic tool, but also a powerful aid in mastering English or any new language. So, let's dive in and understand what memory markers are and how they can help you in your language learning journey. Memory markers are mental bookmarks that help in retaining new information. Think of them as anchors that link new knowledge, such as vocabulary or grammar, to your existing memories or experiences. This association makes it easier to recall the new information when needed. For example, associating the word apple with a personal memory of eating an apple helps in remembering the word more effectively. Why are memory markers important in learning English? The key is association. By connecting new words or grammar rules with personal experiences, stories, or emotions, you create a stronger memory of the language. This technique is especially useful for English language learners because it transforms abstract language concepts into tangible, memorable experiences. Let's talk about how to effectively use memory markers. 1. Personalize your learning. Relate new words or phrases to your personal experiences or interests. 2. Use visual aids. Create mental or physical images to associate with new language elements. 3. Incorporate emotions. Emotional connections strengthen memory. Link new knowledge to feelings or emotional events. 4. Storytelling. Create stories around new vocabulary or grammar rules to make them more memorable. To better understand, let's see some examples. Imagine you're learning the word serene. Visualize a peaceful moment from your life, like a quiet beach at sunset, and associate that image with the word. Learning the phrase, to hit the books. Picture yourself studying hard for an important exam. I hope this video has shed light on what memory markers are and how they can be an incredible tool in your English learning arsenal. Remember, the key is to create meaningful, personal connections with the language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.